Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create this snowing effect in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm going to select video that I want to edit, and I'm going to select effect, select video effect, scroll down and find Christmas, select it, and you can select the snowing one, snowfall, and snowflake available here. For example, just download it and add to the topic. See, you can change border filter, light, size, speed, texture. Sorry, I'm getting hiccup. Can select this wall. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.